Forget the hassle. Let's unlock your Pandabuy haul using the payment method you know and trust. Why Euro PayPal? First things first, head over to the fantastic Pandabuy platform, where an entire world of amazing finds awaits. Use that search bar to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's fashion, electronics, or something totally unique. Pandabuy has you covered. Found something you love? Click that Add to Cart button to bring it closer to your doorstep. Review your cart to make sure everything's just right. Then confidently click Proceed to checkout. Now for the crucial part, why Euro payment? Look for the PayPal option and select it. You will then see a clear Pay with PayPal button. This will securely redirect you to the familiar PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal login details to access your account. Review the order summary on the PayPal screen to ensure all details are correct. Once you're happy, click to confirm your payment. And just like that, your Pandabuy order is confirmed, and your items are on their way. All thanks to a smooth PayPal transaction. Happy shopping!